Okay, Tiggy. This is your zoo. Let's see what kind of neat critters they have in here. I see a deer already. I think it's a deer. Might be an antelope. Let's see. Oh, whatever it is, it's coming to see me. Oh my gosh, there's a deer. I think it's a deer. It's just wandering around. Hey, how are you? You trying to eat my... Don't eat my shirt. It started to eat my shirt. What a crazy animal. Yes, it wants food. What else we got? It's gonna eat my... It's a crazy animal. Deer wants to eat my shirt. It's following me. I gotta watch him. What the heck are these crazy things? Yeah. Teagan. Look at this nutty little animal. Are you really gonna come bug me and eat my shirt again? Teagan, say get away. Shoo. Shoo. Whatever these crazy little animals are, apparently they like chickens too. There's a chicken in their cage. What is that? Don't eat my shirt. Stop eating my shirt. What is that? We got rabbits. Stop following me. Apparently, this deer likes the taste of flannel. All right, what do we got here? It says keep your hands out. Keep your hands out. Oh my golly, it's the Karate Mondays. I don't know if you can see them very well. They're funny. Look at them. Hey, what do we got? Big, long, funny nose. The deer is eating something it shouldn't be eating. Get away from that. Karate Mondays. They're like funny little South American raccoons. They're very funny. Let's see, maybe they'll come back around. Oh my gosh, Teagan. It's a bobcat. Actually, I think it's a lynx. Look at him. Look at the lynx. Look at this. Oh, how beautiful. Canadian lynx. Canadian lynx, that's what it is. Meow. Look at how pretty that animal is. Holy moly. Meow. Wowie, zowie, zowie. Canadian lynx named Simba came to Bonnie Springs 16 years ago. Simba came to Bonnie Springs from Utah. Simba's favorite food is chicken liver and gizzards. His favorite activities are to lay on top of his house and chase any bigger roaming animals that come close to the enclosure. Oh, now he's sleeping. And wowee, I think we got wallabies. We got wallabies, I think. Or some kind of crazy kangaroo. This is Bennett's wallaby. One's name is Roger. One's name is Joey. Hey guys. Say hi to Teagan. Say hi to Teagan, Joey. Roger. What do we got here? It looks like we got a porcupine. Alright, Teagan. A porcupine named Buddy and one named Holly. There you go. Look at the porcupine. Hey! You don't want to get stuck by those quills. Look at the quills. Watch out, Teagan. Looks like we got prairie dogs. Look at the prairie dogs. This one's digging. Say hi to Teagan. Holy moly. Who do we have here? Whoa. How are you? You Dolly the sheep? That sounds like one mad burro. One demanding burro. All right. Oh my golly, we got wolves. We got Danny's favorite, Teggy. British Columbian black wolf named Mila. Mila looks like he's in the house in here. Wow, Teggy. Oh, who do we have here? Wow. What's your name? What's your name? Say hi to Teagan. Say hi to Teagan. She's all the way in Maryland. Everybody wants to eat my shirt or my camera. Oh, there's the wolf. The wolf. Are you Mila? Mila's a pretty beautiful wolf. Look at her. She's got a purple collar. All right. We got bunches of birdies. Bunches and bunches. Sitting all the way up there. We got a Teggy-sized horse. Teggy miniature horse. Hey. What's your name? Well, isn't that nice? Got another one over there. There's some poor little baby. Well, they're small horses. I guess they're full grown, Teggy. Full grown. Are you the one making all the noise? This is a burro. What's your name? Say hi to Teggy. Say hi to Teggy. Hello, Teagan. Oh. We got a ferret. Where's the ferret hiding? Ferret. There's one of these in there somewhere. He must be in his box, hiding. Turkeys and guinea fowl. Llama. Look at the llama. And a noisy goat. Hello, Mr. Llama. Say hi to Tegan. Mr. Goat, how are you? You have anything to say for Tegan? Look at this. We got more stuff. Deer. Looks like emus. Pigs. Get another deer. This one didn't try to eat my shirt. Mr. Llama. He's got a little miniature horse for a buddy. Can you say hi to Tegan? Can you say hi to Tegan? Hey, Tegan! How you doing? Will this one say hi? Hello, Tegan. This one's coming to say hi. And this, I think, is the noisiest burro. A burro. How are you? How are you? How are you there, buddy? How are you? Nice, buddy. Say hi to Tegan? Huh? Huh? What about you? That one keeps saying hello, Taggy. That was hello, Tegan and Rooster. What you got to say? Huh? Hello, Tegan? No. Yeah, you already said hello. Turkey, turkey. Oh, prairie dogs. Say hi. Say hello. Hello, hello. Oh, there's the porcupines again. They have sharp quills. Deer. This one doesn't like me. And the coatimundis are on the move. You got to see these guys. They're the funny ones. Nature's little comedians. Hello. Look at this guy. Hey, stop eating my shirt. God darn. Hey, how you doing? Look at how funny he is. What you got? What you got? He's trying to eat the food out of those food servers. You pay 25 cents for a little bit of food. What a nut. Tegan, is he a nut? I think he is. Mr. Coatimundi. I see you coming. I got your number, pal. Gotta keep an eye on him. I'm gonna follow him around instead. How about that? Say hello. Kawadi Monday. You're funny. Always wanted one as a pet. All right. Quit eating this feed bag or whatever the heck you're doing. Hey, buddy. What's your name? Hey, he just grabbed my phone. He actually reached out and grabbed the phone. Yo, what's that? He almost had it. Almost had it. Hope that one showed up on tape. Taggy, I think he wanted to come play with you. He wants that phone. All right. I gotta go. I'm gonna go see Grandpa Jack all the way out in San Diego. So I'm gonna head on home. Look at that mountain up there. And the mountains up there. All right, I'll see you crazy animals later. These are Patagonian cavi. One more. Let's see what these guys are doing. He wants to get it. He wants to get it, don't you? You want that camera. You want that camera, don't you? You want it. Look at that nose. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You want it? Let's say bye to the sleepy-headed kitty cat. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, Taggy, heading to San Diego. Love you. Kiss your brother Caleb for me. Bye-bye.